Hello guys, welcome back to my another After Effects tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to create grunge slideshow in After Effects. So without any wait, let's see the preview. Here you can see, I have already imported my image file to use in this demonstration. So without any wait, let's start creating slideshow. Create a new composition. Name it as slide 1. As usual, set width and height to 1920 by 1080 pixels. Make sure frame rate is set to 30 frames per second. Here we will set time duration to 5 seconds. Perfect. Here we need to add the image file. I will scale my image file to fit the composition. Perfect. Now let's recompose it. Name it as image 1. Now let's add the text. Here I am going to use American Captain font family. Let's slightly increase font size. Here I will change the text color. Let's set stroke color to black. Now let's set stroke value to 7. Here you can position your text wherever you want. Now let's animate the text. In Animate, select Tracking. In Range, select a 1. At start of the timeline, create keyframe for offset. Now at 2 seconds. Change offset value to 100. Now in Add, select Property, Opacity. Set opacity to 0%. You can see the preview. Perfect. For text layer. In Layer Style, select Drop Shadow. In Drop Shadow, let's set shadow distance to 20. Perfect. Now let's create duplicate of text layer. Press Ctrl+D to create duplicate. This will be our subtext. Position it below main text. Let's change the text. Let's slightly adjust font size. You can position both text layer wherever you want. Now select both text layer. Let's recompose it. Name it as text 1. Now position the text composition at 1 second. Now we will create transition for image layer. Let's create a new shape layer. Now make sure stroke option is set to none. Fill option is set to solid color. Change fill color to black. Now select ellipse tool. Now you need to create shapes as shown. Perfect. Now in ellipse. In fill 1, we need to set opacity to 40%. Do the same for all ellipse shape. Perfect. Now for shape layer 1, in Add, select Offset Paths. Now at start of the timer line, create keyframe for amount, set amount value to -100. Now at 2 seconds. You need to increase amount value, in such a way that it covers the complete screen. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Turbulent Displace. Add it to Shape Layer 1. Set Displacement to Turbulent Smoother. Let's set amount value to 170. Set size to 80. Set complexity to 3. You can see the preview. Perfect. Now let's adjust the position of shape layer. Let's create duplicate of shape layer 1. Position shape 2 at the opposite side. You can see the preview. Now select both shape layer. Pre-compose it. Name it as Transition. Now select Image Composition and Text Composition. Pre-compose them. Name it as Media. Now for Media Composition, set Track Matte to Alpha Matte Transition. You can see the preview. Perfect. Now for Media Composition, in Effects and Preset, search for 4-color gradient. Add it to Media Composition. Here you need to set color as shown. Now change blending mode to screen. Perfect. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Sharpen. Add it to Media Composition. Set Sharpen amount to 50. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Curves. Add it to Media Composition. Adjust the curves as shown. Let's add rough-in edges. This is optional. If you want you can skip this. In Effects and Preset, search for rough-in edges. Add it to Media Composition. Set border to 240. Set edge sharpness to 0.05. Let's increase scale value to near about 170. Set complexity to 10. If you want you can also scale your media composition. Now select both compositions, pre-compose them. Name it as Media Transition. Now for Media Transition. In Effects and Preset. Search for Find Edges. Add it to Media Transition Composition. Again add Find Edges. Now search for Tint. Add it to Media Transition Composition. Now add Media Transition Composition to Timeline, or you can create duplicate of Media Transition Composition and remove applied Find Edges and Tint effect. Now for Media Composition, change mode to Hard Light. Now for below Media Transition Composition, change Track Matte to Luma Invert Matte Media Transition. Now unhide the Media Transition Composition. Now again add Media Transition Composition to Timeline. Change mode to Hard Light. Perfect. Now let's create a new adjustment layer. In Effects and Preset, search for Sharpen. Add it to Adjustment Layer. Set Sharpen amount to 28. Let's see the preview. Perfect. Similarly, you need to create more slide, and you can use my 30 Smooth Transition Pack to apply transition between slides and create your slideshow. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, then make sure to like and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.